In today's video, I'm going to teach you Amtrak fares for seniors. If you want to check senior pricing on Amtrak and see whether you qualify for a discount, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. We'll walk through the booking screen together so you can enter your trip details correctly and make sure the senior traveler option is selected before you search. To begin, go to the Amtrak website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click on Book. This will open the trip search area where you can start building your rail journey. First, select your departure location in the From field. Make sure you choose the correct station or city, especially if there are multiple nearby options. After that, move to the To field and enter your destination. Taking a moment here to confirm both locations can help avoid choosing the wrong route. Next, select your departure date. This is where you'll tell Amtrak when you want to travel. Be sure the date is accurate before moving on, since fares and availability can vary depending on the day. After that, go to the Traveler section. This is an important part of the process if you're looking for senior fares. Open the Traveler settings, then find the Senior option. Set the number of senior travelers who will be taking the trip. This tells the system to look for eligible fares based on the number of senior passengers in the booking. Once you do that, take a moment to read the message that says Seniors save 10%. This is the key discount information being highlighted during the booking process. It's also a good idea to read the discount limitations shown nearby. Those details can help you understand when the discount applies and whether there are any restrictions based on route, availability, or fare type. After reviewing that information, you can proceed to find trains. At this point, everything should be set up correctly, including your trip details and the senior traveler count. Click on Find Trains to continue. Amtrak will then show you available train options for your selected route and date. From there, you can select your train and review the fare options that appear. This is where you'll be able to compare schedules and continue with the booking that works best for you. If you're helping a parent, relative, or another senior traveler, this is a useful way to confirm that the discount setting has been applied before moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes it easier to check Amtrak senior fares with confidence.